Hey, what's up, geeks? I have a quick video for you guys today. In this video, we're going to tackle the length of last word, and I promise you, this is about like 2 lines. So anyways, for you guys who don't know me, I'm Darron Brown. I'm the instructor of GeekMODE School of React Native. So let's get into our algorithm. Given a string S consists of upper slash lowercase alphabets and the empty space characters, return the length of the last word in the string. If the last word does not exist, return 0. So basically, we're going to return the length of world. And the length of world, let's just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Simple and easy as that. So I want you guys to open your text editor. And yeah, make sure your screen looks identical to mine. So I'm going to go ahead. And if you guys catch me looking back and forth, that's because I actually have already completed this problem. I'm just referencing it. So we're going to let our response equal string.trim. So what does this do? This actually makes sure that there's no spaces between our words. So if I go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and just apply some spaces to our last word just so you guys can get an idea how trim is actually used. Trim, it will take it from what you see here to basically this. I'm going to keep it like this just to prove a point. So trim.split, we're going to split our array. So if we add just a string separator, that's going to separate each one of our integers. Each one of our characters. But instead, we want to separate our words. So let's add a space in between our quotations. Now we're going to return our response dot length, which should be. Well, hey, what's up, guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video. It should be 2 in this one, in this example. And we're going to say if our response.length, response.pop, meaning we're going to pop the last value of our array of our word. So that's what it does. Split breaks this string into an array of 2 words, and we're going to pop our last value, which pop does it. Pop automatically references the last value in your array, and then we're going to pop it, and then we're going to catch the length of the word. Okay, and if there is no last word, we're going to return 0, just like it said in the description. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to console log return. All right. Node LeetCode length of string. And it's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, LeetCode has been all over the place and has been processing the code correctly, but I'm going to give it another try and see if it actually goes through. So let's run our code. Yep, and it's passing. So, hey, there you have it. If there's any algorithm that you guys are confused about, you want me to take a look at, feel free to contact me. And if you guys want to be featured on the show and tackle the algorithm on your own, hey, feel free to contact me about that as well. I think it'd be awesome for the community and just get everybody comfortable programming and working through problems and solving complex application issues. So, but anyways, yeah. I'll get at you guys later. Peace.